The first item is the constitution of the expert committee for the state reservation policy. It has been decided in the cabinet that the chairperson of this committee shall be Justice Retired Mool Chand Garg. Members will include Justice Retired Dr. Satish Chandra as an expert member in constitutional law, Professor D.V. Kumar for expert member in sociology from NEHU, Professor Chandral Shekhar for expert member in population studies from the Department of Fertility and Social Demography, Indian Institute of Population Sciences, Mumbai. And the fifth member shall be Professor Subhadeep Mukherjee, an expert from economics, IIM Shillong. The terms of reference for the committee shall include to study the current reservation policy and recommend modifications if necessary. And number two, to undertake wide-ranging consultations with all stakeholders and visit various locations in the state to solicit the views of all stakeholders. The time frame to be given to this committee will be 12 months to complete its task.